I did want to work through some of the problems in the can I afford to buy that house problem set. Some of you have already turned these in, and most of you did a pretty good job on most of them, but I do want to go over these. I sent some of them back to you that you need to redo some of your work, but let's just go over these things. So if we start with problem number 1, pretty simple calculation. We're really trying to figure out how much of a house payment that Laura can afford at $3,500 a month. And the magic number is 22%. So we need to take 22% of her salary every month. So if we take $3,500 times 0.22, that's going to tell us the size of the house payment that she can have each month. If we go down to problem number 2, very similar problem. All right, he earns $72,000 per year, but we want to know what his upper limit is for monthly house payment. Well, we have to change this $72,000 a year. We need to divide that by 12 in order to find out how much he makes per month. Once we find out what that per month total is, we need to multiply it times, again, 22%, which is 0.22. And that's going to tell us what the house payment that he can afford every year is going to be. If we go down and look at problem number 3, we get a little bit more information. April wants to buy a house for $180,000, and it tells what her monthly cost is. So it's $55, $220 in property tax, $1,050 interest on the loan, and a payment of the principal of $100. Her gross pay every month is $2,100 each month. And they want to know, did she keep her loan within the financial safety limit for home loans? In other words, she can afford a home that's 22% of her monthly gross. All right, well, if you multiply 22% of $2,100, that comes up to a monthly payment of $462. That's what she can afford based on her salary. Well, if you look, her total monthly payment is going to be way over that because the interest itself on this loan is $1,050. So there's no way. So the answer is no, she did not stay within the framework.